Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making these colorful springtime bangle bracelets. The supplies you're going to need are UV resin, pink, purple, and gold mica powder, you'll need some mixing bowls and mixing utensils, and you'll also need a bangle bracelet mold. Let's get started on one of the bracelets. Now choose a color that you would like. I'm going to start with the pink. I'm adding UV resin to one of the mixing bowls, and I'm going to need plenty for making a bracelet. You even might have to mix up 2 batches or 3. Now I'm going to be adding the mica powder. Now I'm only adding a small amount. You don't need a lot, and it will do a really pretty color with just a small amount. And then you just mix it in really well and make sure there's no lumps. Now I'm going to start pouring the pink resin into the mold. I'm just separating the edge a little bit so that I can just pour it directly into the mold. So now I'm going to need to mix some more pink resin. Actually, I'm going to have to do it a couple more times, so I'm just going to speed this process up so you can see it quickly what I'm doing. I'm just wiping off a little bit of excess, and then I'm going to cure it for 5 minutes and then turn it over and cure the bottom side for 5 minutes. Now that it's cured, I can remove it from the mold. After removing the bracelet from the mold, I noticed that there was a ridge on it, so you can remove that by filing it or sanding it. Now that it's sanded, I can repair the sanding part by placing UV resin over the top of that. So what I'm going to do is I've got these 2 like glass tiles and I'm putting sticky tack on them, and then I'm just going to place one on either side of the bracelet, and then I'm going to coat the top with some of the pink resin just to cover it up. Cure for 90 seconds. Now I'm starting on the purple bracelet, and for this I'm doing the same process as with the pink bracelet. After these two bracelets were done, you can see me removing the purple bracelet from the mold, and then I am removing the gold bracelet from the mold. The fourth bracelet was made with leftover resin from the other three. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you again. See you soon. Bye-bye.